was up, YouTube? In a couple of hours we are flying to Italy. This beautiful place right here that I even have on my vision board. It is 8:35 right now, and at 1:30 a.m. we are flying to the airport because our flight is actually really early. Not so sure if I'm excited about that, but we do get there early as well, so that's a plus. And yeah, I'm fucking excited for that. But a bit ago I was about to crash out because I actually just wanted to record a video, and it took me like 20 tries to do one line, and I also stubbed my toe, so I was about to fucking crash out. But right now I'm just looking forward to this trip, taking you all with me, obviously showing you how the vacation is and just showing you how I can even get my work done, serve my clients while I'm on vacation, maybe even sign a client on vacation. We'll see about that. Okay, I just got done editing the video. Here it is. Just posted it. And yeah, all the bags are packed as well, as you can see right here. I actually found this cap on the street. Weird, but I washed it and it looks good. I'm gonna take it with me tomorrow, just like this. And I don't know if I like caps on me, but I'm gonna take it with me tomorrow. Also, we have these pants right here with this new belt, which I really like. So yeah, it's gonna be lit tomorrow. I'm gonna have a nice fit, and yeah, until tomorrow, like 1:30 a.m. We've landed in Naples now. We're just looking for the taxi real quick to take us to the hotel, and then we'll continue with the trip. But it's been a great flight, everything's smooth, so yeah, pretty good. Okay, so I think I kind of messed up because we actually got to the hotel at like 10 a.m. or something like that, and we can only check in until 3 p.m. But we used that chance to just look at this castle right here. Like, I think it's called Castle San Elmo or something like that. The views are beautiful. Let me show you. So as you can see, beautiful views, but we are now going to get back to the hotel because it's almost 3 p.m. and then I'm gonna give you guys a room tour of the hotel. Yeah. So let me give you guys a quick room tour. As you can see, I already have sunburn. That's crazy. Okay, but if we go here and we enter the room, basically, right? Let's pretend we have this wonderful table right here, and we have a couch which already has stuff on it. Obviously, AC. We have a TV. My bag right there. Little window here, and the funny thing is, it actually has these things, which are pretty neat. Obviously, kitchen here, all of that stuff. I already failed to make a coffee. I don't know if this one turn out good. I don't know. Is it supposed to look like that? This machine is weird, but not gonna experiment too much with that. Just needed a quick coffee. You can see the mess right here. So yeah, pretty neat. We have a fridge, of course, and some like storage, all of that stuff right here. And obviously we have a bath as well, but my mom's in there right now. Nada. Obviously fire extinguisher, which is really important. I love this thing. Like, I use it every night. Look at how sick this looks. Wow. And yeah, we are back to the mirror, and we have a desk right here for that work, to look busy and all of that, you know. Nice little plant with a lamp. Another mirror. Damn. Ooh, I look fucking chopped. By the way, the more chopped I get throughout this whole vlog right here, just don't wonder about it, because I am eating whatever I want here. Like, I don't give a shit. I will probably get more acne just like this, but happens, you know. We have a nice little cuck chair right here, another cuck chair right there, and obviously the bed right here, as you can see. Wonderful, right? And best part is the terrace. So let me show you right here. Looks wonderful. We even have ads. I love ads. Every morning I wake up, I actually manifest there to be ads like this outside of my house, to just look at them. And this is just a wonderful view. I just love it, you know? So we have this like terrace slash, not terrace really, balcony. Like, I can speak English. I don't know. But yeah, it looks really nice. This is the room tour. Now we're probably gonna take a nap because I actually drove to the airport earlier on. Like I said, I woke up at like 1:30 or something like that. So I gotta catch up on some sleep, and then yeah, I think we'll drive down to the port, actually take a look at some of the boats there, eat some pizza, all of that. It's gonna be great. I'm excited, man, especially for the boats. I'm gonna show you exactly which one of those fucking yachts is gonna be mine in a couple of years. It's gonna be sick, man.
60 degrees. I ran 1 mile, 8 minutes. That's skate number 48.
I wanna dance in the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride. Hop in the music and rock your body, rock your body.
I just walked past all of those like $1 million yachts. It's actually crazy how much money is compiled in this one singular place in fucking Naples, bro. And it's quite crazy. Maybe you can see them back there. They look fucking insane. I'm in love. One of those is gonna be manifested someday. So you gotta get closer to what you wanna have. Just, you know, put it in your sort of space to make it, how do I say this? Like, you gotta put the things that you want into your space so that you can just even fathom getting them, right? So the closer you can get to these things, best thing you can do to make sure you actually manifest something like that, you know? Also, kind of trying to get rid of my fear right here of talking in public, because there are like hundreds of people here, probably. And yeah, I just want to sort of learn to even just record in public, because I actually think that's a really important skill to master, especially if you're doing like content creation, to really just record content outside. Like, none of these people care. 30% of these people know English. The rest doesn't even understand what I'm saying. But it's actually crazy what fucking money is here. It's insane. I mean, the one who's farming the most aura right here is that guy. Like, big ass yacht just here on the water. And really, bro, what you gotta notice is like all of these yachts that you see here, they have an owner. There's literally a human being that owns one of these yachts. Like, with that being said, we are all human beings. We all sin, we all make mistakes, you know? But sort of think about what it takes for one human being who is so imperfect to get to a place like that, to afford such a yacht. Like, but I feel fucking great being around these yachts. I feel a sense of like high vibrations, if that's, I don't know if that's too like spiritual or whatever, but it's actually like that, you know? Fucking beautiful, man. So with all that being said, I think this wraps up the first day. I slept so little if you compare the hours I've been awake today, bro. I'm going to sleep now, and I'll see you on day 2. Peace. Update. Today's day 2 in Naples. Tomorrow we are already driving over to Capri with the ferry. So today our plan is to go to the center of Naples, maybe go shopping, eat some nice things and all of that, because we are right now in Vomero, which is outside of the city center. Like, it's also a big part of the city, but it's not really the center, right? I had a good night's sleep. Slept for like how long? It's like 11 a.m. right now. Slept for yeah, probably those 11 hours. The fit, boys. Got the like printed jorts, obviously the belt I still had it from going here, and new shirt as well. So I think this is cool. I think I'm gonna cop this. Yeah. So we are back at the hotel now. I have a call with the client in a couple of minutes, so I'll be taking that. Right now it's 4:46. Before I take the call, I'm just gonna do some editing, just kind of use that time. And yeah, as you may be able to see, bro, I am getting more and more chopped the more I'm here in Italy. I just had like an ice cream or slushy, whatever, where you could literally feel the sugar in it. Like I said, I promised myself that in Italy I can eat whatever I want, because I've been dieting like for the last, I don't know, 3 months or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna eat here whatever I want, even though I will get chopped, but we'll get the old form back once we are back in Germany. Alright, successful call with the client now the mission is to edit some videos. I'm gonna start editing this vlog right here, and I also posted a new video just right now. Let me show you. Here, I just posted this one right here a couple of minutes ago. So we'll see how that one performs. But check out my IG if you haven't already. It's at Schubert's Media. I post there every single day, multiple times sometimes as well. So yeah, if you haven't checked it out already, link in the description. And then 8 p.m. I have another client call with one of my other clients that I need to attend. And then we'll, I think, order some pizza, watch a movie or something like that. Gonna shower in the meantime, definitely. Because, well, I don't smell, but my hair is pretty greasy, so I gotta hit a shower and yeah, just make this evening a bit more slow, you know?
Already scary delays we experience in airports and such. The wheel of doom can quickly turn into the wheel of done. That was sick. I thought of that last night in our driveway.
Addicting. When you're posting on social media, you gotta imagine, like, all of those people that see you there, all of them don't know you, or really most of them. They don't know what you've achieved. They can only judge by, first of all, how you look, or by what you have like in your background or whatever, you know, what you show in the video. So if you don't sort of show the proof by how you look, which fitness coaches, for example, do by like recording the video shirtless, or you show it by, I don't know, having, for example, a Lamborghini in the background, right? If people can't see that, then it's up to you telling them, okay, look, this is what I do, this is my proof, this is why you should trust me with that. If we're doing these kinds of videos, definitely I would put the proof much earlier. So right after the hook, you can basically see it as the context part of the video. So this is Rodrigo. Let us know, bro, what are you working on right now?
So while I'm in my 9-to-5 work, I'm starting my side business, which is basically a coaching business.
What have you learned so far, bro, from the like calls that we had so far? It's been like, what, a week now or something like that?
Yeah, something like that. When I came into this program, main struggles were basically my main offer, which was not very consolidated. And now I have a much more clear vision on what is my base offer, because I'm always trying to improve this offer, but now it is very clear what I'm offering.
Nice.
And at the same time, basically my content creation needs a lot of improvement. And this is like what I'm having even more value now, which is content creation. At the beginning, it was awful, but now it's getting better and better.
Yeah, 100%. Like I can show them real quick. Like your last video actually looks really dang good. I'm on IG here right now. So compare this video, you see this, with, let's scroll down a bit. For example, this one, or even this one, right? Your content is definitely getting better, bro, and I love to see that. By the way, follow him. He's a go-to guy. Peace out, man. Have a good time, bro.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Just got done with those client calls, as you can see right there. I am now picking up some pizza for me and my mom. So we will probably, I don't know, watch a movie or something with that. Just enjoy the evening. It's gonna be good. Calls went great. Client said value, definitely. And I'm excited for the work that they do now, bro. So, gonna be good. Yeah, I think this probably wraps up the vlog for now. Tomorrow is going to Capri. Capri is gonna be amazing. And I'll see you in the vlog, guys. Peace.